Ain't no trades today. Just chilling for the most part. Going with the flow. Slow Monday so far. Cool with longs if 30 could retrace. At least like 41,500, like at least. Experience, like the more you trade, the more you realize, the more you show up, the more likely you're going to be to take a trade, the more likely you are to take a trade, the more likely you are to lose, the more likely you are to lose, the more likely you are to have negative emotions toward the losses. This ain't bad though. We went from just looking at it to actually contemplating. And my deposit hit from last week. So as you guys know, I did a withdrawal last Friday. Today's gonna be like my, not a rest day from the gym, but I'm gonna train her.
Oh no.
Yep. Don't listen to all these people telling you to force it, telling you to over-risk to make all this money. No, it's about longevity. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. We are back. It's another week, and now we have a trading week. As you guys seen, I showed a little bit of how much money I was making this weekend just from content, just from like VIP and everything, but the markets were closed, so we didn't get no bans. So we're going to see what we can do this week. It's Monday, but nonetheless, I'm just going to simply follow the process that got me here. I'm not going to force trades. I'm not going to rush nothing. I'm not going to overtrade, over leverage. Just going to join the call, do what I do every day. Yeah, we're going to see. We're going to see. It's about 9:24, so let me get straight on here just so I can get my analysis and everything pre 9:30. We'll see you there. Yeah, like I'm cool with longs if 30 could retrace, but who knows if it'll retrace. I need it to come back all the way back to where that range is for any longs. At least like 41,500, like at least. Like that's a good area. Anything else, I'm cool off of. Experience, like the more you trade, the more you realize, the more you show up, the more likely you're going to be to take a trade, the more likely you are to take a trade, the more likely you are to lose, the more likely you are to lose, the more likely you are to have negative emotions toward the losses. The more negative emotions you have towards the losses, the less likely you're going to be confident next time. And this is a big ass cycle that repeats. This is a big ass cycle. This keeps repeating. The same shit repeats until you learn from it. The reasons you take losses are going to repeat. The reason that you fail accounts, the reason that you blow accounts. Everything has a reason. Every cause has an effect. And it's going to keep happening over and over and over until you understand what that shit is. As you guys heard, no trades for me today. Didn't really have any good ideas. The one idea that I did have is just, it didn't play out, unfortunately. But it didn't play out, unfortunately. So with that being said, we move on to the next. I'm not going to force it. It's only Monday. There's no point of forcing anything on a Monday because we still have the rest of the week. We still have 4 days. And guess what? Showing up is like this and not taking trades is going to build discipline. Most people can't do this. And this is something I stress because guess what? Doing nothing is doing something. How many of you can show up for a week and not take a trade? How many of you can show up for a 2-hour session and not take a trade? Not many of you can do that, and just know it builds discipline. Doing what you don't want to do is going to build discipline. Doing what you don't want to do is going to get you the results that nobody else has that you want. So let's get the rest of our day started. Let's see how much we're up for VIP, because since today's a no trading day, we're not making money with trades. Let's see what we're up for VIP. Not bad. We're at 165 for the day. A little sum. It's not $1,000 from trading, but you know, I'll take it. And as you guys can see, the call was about an hour long. Now, real shit, he said, I had told him 0 trades. He also took no trades, man. Straight discipline from the team. Here, we also got a couple results from the team. So we have right over here, he took his first trade on this account. And this account, what is it right here? It's his account on Webull. So he's up $1,000 on the first trade on the new broker. Not bad, not bad. We were talking about a few something. He caught 3 trades on his NAS account. So that looks like he's up $1,200 on the account. We got Randy. Randy's in the gym going crazy. We got Aaron. Oh, Aaron looks like he hit a TP for $800 on NAS. I was looking for the NAS longs. I was looking for the longs in general. I just didn't take anything. We have Alicia. She is up $200 for the day, and she's up almost $2,000 on her funded account. Not the combine, the actual funded. And then let's see what else. TP5 hit, funded challenge pass, and just look, bro. It keeps going. People are winning. People are hitting, and all of this was done live. Men lie, women lie. The numbers don't. The results don't. So we get the rest of the day started. Right now, we on our way to Orlando. We're like 15 minutes away. It was like a hour, 15-minute drive. We're basically almost there, but we're about to go to Florida Mall. Just go look at some stuff over there. We ran out of Marshalls and I was about to say Rick Ross's from where we're at. So we're about to go to the mall. Probably get food over here. I don't know, just a little something. Ain't no trades today. Just chilling for the most part. Going with the flow. Slow Monday so far. Slow Monday. She don't got work. See you guys when we can get wherever we get. I'll probably just record on my phone inside of the mall. So yeah, wherever we end up, you'll see it. I'll show a little bit of the mall for the people that never seen it. All right, we just made it to the Florida Mall. The sun is out. This is amazing. It's amazing. Look, you can see me. Look, the sun and shit, man. Look, peep the new kicks. Come on now. These are the new everydays. Guess how much they cost? $10. Here we go. Let it all begin. Let it begin. That ain't that cold in here. Why are you trying to match? I like one like this. It will be in like black. This ain't bad though. We went from just looking at it to actually contemplating. Not bad, not bad for 400. Florida Mall done. Got some soaps and some hand sanitizer. Now we about to head to some Ross. Just got to World of Food Trucks. We about to get some drinks and then head our ass back home. Don't look like anybody over there. Oh man, nice and easy. Usually this shit packed. Yeah, this is nothing. This is the lightest it's ever been. Lemonades with lime and cherry. Not bad. All right, now my girlfriend just went into Ross. We have a whole bunch of shit in the back, as you guys can see. We ended up doing a lot more shopping than I thought we would have, but I just checking my emails and everything, just kind of going through my Instagram, and my deposit hit from last week. So as you guys know, I did a withdrawal last Friday for about $1,090 from my Henkel trade account. If you guys want to know the trade that I took, just go back to watch the vlog. It says, I think, how to make like $1,000 a day trading. I think it was like 2 days ago. It was from Friday. So then I went to my crypto.com, Face ID. Okay, I guess it's showing me an ad. Okay, I guess it's okay here. And then I loaded it up and you can see that the money hit. Come on, bro. I honestly forgot I did the withdrawal. I forgot since it was Friday, like I did the withdrawal. It took since the weekend. They weren't there to actually process it all, but listen, it's here. Now I'm about to withdraw this to my bank account before Bitcoin starts going crazy or some shit. So yeah, let's get it. So once we're in the crypto wallet, you can see I got 1,170. I'm going to go to Bitcoin. I'm going to sell my Bitcoin. And I'm going to sell the Bitcoin. And a lot of people always ask, why don't I just sell it into like a USD tether or something like that. Here, do the max. Come on, bro. $1,070. So I lost a couple dollars, unfortunately, but we're going to be transferring it into the USD. It's going to ask to confirm. See my face. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom. Now we have it sold. Now we're going to come over to our fiat wallet. Now from our fiat wallet, this is going to be where we're actually going to withdraw it into our bank accounts. Now we come over to our accounts, our fiat wallet, and our fiat wallet has 1,073, and this can't change now. So now I just transfer this, withdraw it, USD, dollar. Yes, I know, withdraw it to this bank. How much am I withdrawing? 1,070. Daily limit is 100,000. Have not withdrawn anything today. Withdraw. Boom. It's probably gonna ask me for a couple things, as you guys know. Yeah, got to get the authentication code. Authenticator. Copy and paste it. Come back over here. Face ID. Face ID is too thorough because y'all would know all my passwords. Jeez. Real shit. But there we go. And now we sold our Bitcoin. Yeah. Now we get some on it. Got the hoodie on. You know when the hoodie's on, you know what time it is. But this time it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit of a different gym session. We got her coming, so today's gonna be like my not rest day from the gym, but I'm gonna train her.
Oh no!
Yep.
I'm training myself.
Nah, I'm gonna train her.
Nah.
Yep. It's gonna be a good leg workout day. We gonna get her legs right.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna train his legs.
You're not gonna train my legs.
I'm gonna train your legs.
I'm gonna record it. Well, y'all will see it. Y'all will see it.
Mm-hmm.
She thinks she's gonna kill my legs. I work out legs every day on squats. Hey.
Do something else today.
She gonna learn. There's always like some crazy animal noises over there. You hear like ducks, birds. Be wilding out.
Last time I came over here, it was the turtle, and he was up here, and I had to put him under.
Should be crazy. Should be getting shiesty. Us in the gym. Someone was here, but they left. I don't think he appreciated the pressure. But we about to hit these legs. She about to get her little stretching. My legs, I just walk around like these. Walk around like these, get the stretching. Probably do a little bit of, I don't even know what I would call it, bent overs. That just sounds gay.
What?
It's for stretches. Touch your toes. Yeah, well, like touching your toes stretches. Pause, but yeah. About to do these little stretches and then we gonna get to this workout. Like I said, she thinks her legs are gonna be strong, so we're gonna see how strong they really are. We're gonna put them to the test. They might be strong, but But you'll see how you gonna know how much you could lift today though. I'll tell you that. You at least gonna be able to find out what's the most you could do. Yes, you can. You have a certain max. Whatever it is, you're gonna find it. You don't even need my headset. We about to get this weight and get straight to work. I'm thinking we gonna start you off. We're gonna start you off with regular squats with 145. No, matter of fact, 45 is definitely too heavy for you. I'll start you with I say a 30 is a good John. I'll grab a 20 and a 30, just because your body weight is, you got your low stretching, got your stretching on. This is how you gotta do it. You gotta go speed, you gotta get into it. You can stretch as you go. Doesn't mean you gotta stop stretching. Yeah, get these high legs. Either way, you can have it, whatever leg position, but you're gonna have your leg position and go straight down. Starting off with 12. 12 reps of, I don't even know what to call them, 12 reps of I hate my life.
So this is what I said to go to the gym.
Feels light after doing that work. My turn. Alright, I'm back at the crib and everything. So basically, that was supposed to be a small little workout just to get my girlfriend to work out. It ended up turning into a workout. Now my whole body is absolutely cooked. Full body workout. Like it was supposed to be just legs, but then she tapped out halfway through the workout, so she couldn't finish it. So I started doing like arms. So yeah, there she goes. You fed the cat left?
No, he's still out there.
Yeah, I'll show you guys a little clip, but the cat that we seen, fresh out the gym, found a random cat. Looks like the cat version of our dog. Oh, you're scaring her. Walking back over, she bring it over. And now he won't leave us alone. Now he's trying to finesse us for food. He already got it. Yeah, don't mind the bag, so we still got all this shit from moving. But right now, I'm about to roll up after hitting this full body workout, feeling real good. I'm exhausted, but I feel good. Then we're gonna go head to Chipotle, get some protein, because you need some protein. You can work out as hard as possible, but if you ain't getting food, then you ain't gonna get weight, unfortunately. And that's at the point that I am right now. But like I was saying, we about to go to Chipotle. Then once I get back from Chipotle, come back here. Overall, it's been an eventful day. Nonetheless, it's been moving around, going around, just out and about driving for the most part. We had the withdrawal hit, which is pretty good. We have it getting sent to our bank account right now, so more than likely be sent to me tomorrow. But we didn't take no trades today. Not every day is going to be trading day. You got to learn to preserve capital. The skill set of being able to show up to the charts and not take a trade is a skill. Trust me, most people can't do that. Most people are going to end up blowing their account this week trying to trade FOMC. Most people probably blew their account today, and it's only Monday. And I don't say that to like try to come at you in any way. It's just like, bro, majority of people fail for the same reason. Trust me, the same people do the same things over and over and over, and they just don't learn from their mistakes. Trust me, saying that from experience, I've been in the same boat, but not no more. I'm changing for the better, because guess what? If you don't change, ain't nothing gonna change. Nothing changes unless you change. That's how it is, unfortunately. Gotta change to be able to become the person that you want to be, but that's good. You gotta improve. Changing isn't bad. Change is all perspective. You can change for the better. You just gotta do the things required to actually get you to that point. We got our Chipotle, and the cat is under the car. Yeah, I guess this cat is, yeah. He's not coming to live with us, but he might end up getting spared. Oh. Bro, hitting the gym and then going to Chipotle is crazy. Like right now, I feel so swole. Like that Chipotle burrito, I get the same thing every time. I get extra protein. I used to get a double wrap for extra carbs, but I stopped doing that just because that shit was just too thick, too much. But then I'll do corn, cheese, and that's really it. I keep it just like that, but I eat it like every day. Just keeping it nice and simple, something I can eat right after the gym. Now, do I enjoy it? Yeah, it's good, but it's more or less just trying to get that protein. Sometimes you just gotta do what you need to do. And in terms of whether it's fitness, whether it's eating the food you don't want to eat because you need to gain weight, that's at the point that I'm at. I can't just go out eating random foods all the time. If I'm trying to gain weight, I'm better off eating the same thing all the time, especially if it doesn't cost that much and it's still gonna do everything I need it to be. It's just more efficient than me trying to go to different restaurants, trying to eat different things, trying to find different things to eat all the time. When I move, I'm definitely gonna be cooking more. I'm probably gonna be doing stuff like meal prep. I just don't want to cook in this crib right now. It's just not something I've done. I never really cooked here, so I'm not trying to change that. I'll cook in the new crib, and that will be something I build a habit of in the new crib. But as of right now, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing because that's what's working right now. But this is where the videos are gonna come to, and I honestly don't know how long this video was. For the most part, this was just a day in the life, honestly. I didn't do nothing too crazy today. I didn't get to record any of the programs, unfortunately, just because I've been out and about, just in Orlando. But we were active with VIP. The results every single day. We're gonna be active tomorrow. I do want to catch some trades tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day I actually want to see what we can do. Tomorrow's the day I want to be able to make some money. I made a little bit of money today with VIP. I made a little bit of money today with the content and everything. But the trading, what I make with one trade is what I'll make for the week with all these other businesses. So it's a big percentage of what it is. So we're gonna see what we can do. The week is still young. Just know you don't gotta force it. Just know you don't need to force a trade every day. Just know you don't need to take a trade every day. It's about the long term. It's about longevity. Save your account, save your capital, be here to trade another day. Don't listen to all these people telling you to force it, telling you to over risk to make all this money. No. It's about longevity. And don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. Stay safe, stay productive. And if you guys want to learn how to trade, the free trading course, free trading webinars, completely free. If you want to join a team of like-minded individuals, you can take my trades, understand how to trade, be in a community of like-minded individuals, and improve and basically trade with every single day. Join VIP. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.